See, yesterday we started with the concept of EOQ and we had also done formulas. Here you can check. If you remember, I have made you understand the concept of EOQ. Especially EOQ brings a balance between the different two costs, that are ordering cost and inventory carrying cost. So suppose if we are trying to reduce ordering cost, inventory carrying cost will increase. And suppose we are trying to reduce inventory carrying cost, ordering cost will automatically increase. So one of them will increase. Okay. So EOQ brings a balance between these two costs. We had tried to understand with the help of these two examples. Okay. And we have also covered 4 formulas related to this chapter. So let me just give you a quick revision of these 4 formulas. EOQ is the whole square root of 2 into A into OC upon ICC. The whole square root means whatever is in the division part will also be covered in the square root. Okay. So 2 into A. A means annual consumption. OC means ordering cost. And ICC means inventory carrying cost. You have to remember that OC will be per order and ICC will be per unit. Uh, Next formula is number of orders to be placed in a year. That means how many orders you will be able to place in a year. So how will you find that? A upon EOQ. A, annual consumption. EOQ means the answer of the economic order quantity in terms of units. Okay. Both will be in terms of units. A will also be in units. EOQ will also be in units. So answer will naturally be in units. And that's what I want. Number means units, kg, meter, centimeter, that way. Total order, total ordering cost. Now, how do I do it? How do I do it? Because it is always in the form of per order. So, ordering cost per order into number of orders in a year. Okay. And last, total carrying cost. It is always in the form of per unit. So, half into ICC per unit into number of units. But which number of units? EOQ. Yes. Is that now clear with everyone? Shall we start with the practical questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now look at this question. Sum number 14. From the following information, calculate EOQ at a particular component. Annual demand is, now annual consumption is annual demand only. Annual demand from the customers is 1,250 units. Ordering cost, see, it is in the form of per order. And that's what I told you, that ordering cost will always be in the form of per order. It will not be in per unit. No, per order. Rupees 40. Inventory carrying cost. Rupee 1 per unit. Rupee 1 per unit means on 1 unit you spend rupee 1. So how many on 20,000, 40,000, 60,000, 90,000, whatever will be our answer. Okay. So that way we need to find total inventory carrying cost. But right now, first step is to calculate EOQ. So this is sum number 16. Okay. Now first is EOQ. We will find all the formulas. Okay. All the 4 formulas. So I will just copy down this formula. Let me take all the formulas. Yes. Okay, now EOQ formula is written here. The whole square root of 2 into A into OC upon ICC. Now, tell me the whole square root of I'll just copy this back. The whole square root of 2 into, tell me, 2 into A. So what is A in the question? A means annual demand, annual consumption. What is A given here?
1250.
Yes. So it is 1250. 1250 into OC. OC should be per order. So is it given in the form of per order? Yes or no?
40. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 40 rupees. So you will write 40 here. Whole divided by ICC per unit. So what is ICC per unit?
1.
1. Okay. Now let's solve this equation. Again
Ma'am,
see.
sum number 14.
This is sum number 14. Sorry. This is sum number 14. Okay. Thank you. So again, the whole square root of, okay, 2 into, now tell me. Or otherwise we can directly do, no, now. 2 into 1250 into 40. Tell me the numerator. 2 into 1250 into 40. All three figures are to be multiplied with each other. So what will be your
1
answer?
lakh, ma'am. 1 lakh.
So it is 1 lakh. 1 lakh divided by 1. So again, the whole square root of, tell me, 1 lakh divided by 1 will be what? 1 lakh divided by 1 lakh will be,
1 lakh, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 lakh.
no. हाँ, मतलब 1 lakh. Okay. So what is the square root of 1 lakh?
3,160.
3160.
नहीं मैम 316 316.2
316.20.
2
Correct?
22 mm.
22. Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So 316.22 watt units. Because 1250 was in units, therefore your answer will also be in the form of units. Did you get how to solve this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay. Do it. I'm giving you 1 minute to copy down. Do it. Then, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
हो गया? Okay. Now let us quickly calculate the another formula. Number of units, number of orders to be produced in a year. And the formula is A by EOQ. So what is A? A means annual consumption.
1250
Very good. 1250 divided by EOQ. What is the answer of EOQ?
316.22
Yes, 316.22. So what will be your answer after division?
3.95.
3.95. Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, na? Units. Okay. 3.95 units. So this is how you have to calculate number of orders to be produced in a year. Now, total ordering cost. Total ordering cost. So what is the formula for that? Please repeat. What is the formula?
Ma'am,
Ordering cost.
ordering cost per order
Yes. Multiplied
into
with.
number of
Yes.
order in a year.
Very good. Number of orders in a year. So ordering cost per order. What is ordering cost per order? Come on. It is
40.
written here. Yes. It is ordering cost rupees 40 per order. It is already given. So 40 multiplied with number of orders to be placed in a year. Number of orders in a year. Means this.
3.95.
Yes, the one that we have calculated just now. 40 into 3.95. So what is your answer?
158.
Now this will be rupees. Repeat again the answer.
158.
158. Rupees 158. Means you are incurring the cost of rupees 158. Okay. Now, how to see? The answer of 158 for ordering cost should match with the answer of total carrying cost. Let us see how it matches. See, the formula of inventory carrying cost. What is the formula of total inventory carrying cost? Come on, repeat the formula.
Ma'am,
Yes,
half into ICC per unit into
into
EOQ unit.
very good units of EOQ. So half, I will copy down this half into what is ICC per unit? ICC means inventory carrying cost. What is
1.
ICC
Ma'am,
per
one,
unit?
one,
Very good.
one.
1. So 1 into half into 1 into EOQ units. So what is EOQ units?
116.22.
316.2.
316.122.
Huh. So what is the answer? Tell me. 316.22 into 1 into half. So what is the answer?
158.
So does it match? Both of the
Yes, ma'am.
cost matches, no? See, this is
Yes,
total
ma'am.
ordering cost rupees 158, total inventory carrying cost rupees 158. So this is what EOQ does. EOQ brings a balance between two different costs. So there is a balance, no? Neither of the cost is more than the other. Neither of the cost is more. See, ordering cost is also rupees 158, inventory carrying cost is also rupees 158. No cost is more than the other one. Are you getting my example? This is the way that you have to check your
Yes, ma'am.
answer. If it is right, if it has to be right, both answers will match. Okay, so do it. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes to write down the solution part. Do it. I'm waiting here. Yes, done with everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us look at the another question. See, sum number 13. Data relating to slotted angels in furniture manufacturing unit is as follows. Now, what is given? The first point is not annual demand. It is not annual demand which is given. It is half yearly demand. Half yearly means 6 months. Annual means 12 months. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So half yearly demand is 1000 units. Ordering cost is rupees 62.50 per order. Inventory carrying cost is rupees 2 per unit. So everything is correctly given. Ordering cost should be per order and it is given in the form of per order. ICC should be given in the form of per unit. It is given in the form of per unit. But annual demand is not given in the question. So now what is asked? EOQ? Annual procurement cost means annual ordering cost, total ordering cost. Procurement means ordering. And third is annual carrying cost. So everything is asked. All the four formulas we have to do. Anyways, in the exam also all the four formulas will be asked. Now, half yearly demand. What to do with this to convert into full year's demand?
Into 2.
Into 2. Very good, very good. So what we will do now, this is sum number 13th, no?
13.
Just wait, just wait. This is sum number 13th, okay? Now, okay, EOQ is equals to 2 into the whole square root of 2 into A into OC upon ICC. This is the formula. Is it clear with everyone? Up to formula, is it clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the whole square root of 2 into. Now what is given here? Wait, huh? I will tell you. What is given here? Here, annual demand is not given. 1000 is half yearly demand. Half year means 6 months. So 1000 will not be enough because it is for half yearly. Now multiply by 2 will give you full year's information. But this thing has to be put into bracket. So 2 into 1000 into 2. So 1000 into 2 has to be shown in the bracket. Okay. Now into ordering cost per order. What is ordering cost per order? What is ordering cost per order?
62.50.
Very good. So here I will
Zero.
write into 62.50. What is ICC per unit?
2 rupees.
Rupees 2. Very good. Very good. So how will I solve it now? See, very simple. Very simple. First of all, it is divided by 2 and the numerator is, let us solve numerator. See, very simple. Let us solve bracket first. 1000 into 2. What is the answer of bracket?
2000.
2000 into 2. Do it in Calci. 2000 into 2. This 2. First 2.
4,000.
4000 into 62.50.
2,50,000.
2,50,000. Very good. So did you understand how do we need to solve? First bracket 1000 into 2. Answer will be there in the Calci. Again into 2 into 62.50. So you will get the numerator 2,50,000. Divide by 2. You have to write same as it is. Now you have to divide. Tell me.
1,25,000.
1,25,000. Just let me copy
Under
down
root.
this square root. Yeah, under root. Under root. Sorry. Okay. 2,50,000 divided by 2. So answer is 1,25,000. Now, tell me what is square root of 1,25,000. Come on, tell me the answer of.
353.55 mm.
Sorry, repeat again. I did not hear.
353.55.
Is it correct? Is it correct? Yeah, is it correct? 353.55. See, it's very simple. It's 1,25,000, no? It is 1,25,000. Put it in Calci. And then on the left hand side of the Calci,
Ma'am,
you have a
right.
sign of square root. Just press that sign of square root. You will be able to see the answer on square calculator. So what is the answer? 353.55. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next formula. Number of orders to be placed in a year. So, what is the formula for number of orders to be placed in a year?
A divided by EOQ.
So, what is A now? Can anyone tell me A, annual demand?
2000.
Very good. I thought you will say 1000. 1000 is not annual demand. 1000 is half yearly demand. So, we have solved the bracket, no? Inside the bracket, what is the answer of this bracket? 1000 into 2. That has to be used everywhere now. A. Wherever he says A means 1000 into 2. Is it clear, everybody? If you want, you can write here in the numerator. If you forget that how this 2000 comes. So you can write numerator 1000 into 2 divided by EOQ. So EOQ is 353.55. Now 1000 into 2. 1000 into 2
2,000.
is 2000 divided by 353.55. So what is your final answer?
5.66 unit.
5.66. 66 means 67. Because after third digit you have to check, no? What is the third digit? It is 6. So that means second number has to be increased by number 1. So
नहीं मैम
5.67.
5.656 था
5.656.
656 था तो बढ़ा दिए थे
हाँ तो 6 अच्छा ऑलरेडी आपने बढ़ा के ही बताया ठीक है
हाँ
So 5.66. Okay. Now next formula. Total ordering cost. What is the formula? Ordering cost per order into number of orders in a year. Very simple. Just now we have calculated number of orders in a year, this 5.66. We have to just multiply with ordering cost per order, which is given in the question. What is ordering cost per order?
62.50.
Very good. So here I will write 62.50 multiplied with number of orders to be placed in a year. So how many orders are placed in a year? 5.66. So 5.66 into 62.50. What is the answer now?
353.75.
353.75. Rupees 353, huh? Rupees
Yes.
353.75. Okay. Now let us check with the answer of total ordering cost should match with the answer of total inventory carrying cost. Only then your sum is correct. What is the formula of total carrying cost? Half into ICC per unit into EOQ units. So half into ICC per unit is 2 rupees. See, check in the question. It is rupees 2. And what is EOQ units? Yes.
353.55.
Into 353.55 into 2 into half. So what is your answer? What is your answer?
353.55.
7575. It is somewhere around same. Is it clear, everybody? Yes. Is it same? If it is same, then we are doing correct sum. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So this is how we need to solve. I'm giving you 2 minutes to copy down. Quickly do it and then we will begin with the next question. Done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see next question. See this. Data relating to slaughtered angels in steel furniture manufacturing unit is as follows. Now annual consumption is given, but it is in the form of tons. Now unit cost is rupees 100 per kilogram. Very much confusing. This is per kilogram, means kg. Kilogram means kg, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here it is as per kilogram and annual consumption is given as per tons. Two different units are given. And what is asked here? EOQ per order in kilos. We have to find EOQ per order in kilos. That means we have to find the answer in the form of kg. So tons has to be converted in the form of kilogram. Are you getting my example? I mean, are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So tons has to be considered and converted into kilograms. So 1 ton is equals to 1000 kgs. I hope you know.
Yes, ma'am.
So 12 tons will be converted and therefore it will be 12,000. Is it okay if everybody has understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first new point is 12 tons. So we have to convert it in the form of kg. It is very simple. 1 ton is 1000 kgs. So 12 tons is equals to 12,000 kgs. Very simple. Now, unit cost means ordering cost. Oh, sorry, no, ordering cost. It's not an ordering cost. Procurement cost is ordering cost. Always remember the ordering cost is also known as procurement cost. Procurement cost is rupees 20 per order. Okay, it is perfect. It is perfect. 20 per order. That's what I want. Per order, I want per order and per order is given. Storage carrying cost. Storage or carrying cost. I always told you when I started with the introduction part, I was again and again telling you that carrying is also known as maintenance cost. Carrying is also known as storage cost. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
storage
ma'am.
cost, maintenance cost, carrying cost is same ICC only. Okay, so ICC carrying cost is 12%, but I don't want percentage. I want per kilogram, per unit. Here unit is kilogram. Unit is in the form of kilogram. Now I want as per unit, per kilogram, but it is given as 12%. How do I do it with 12%? I will not be able to do it. So what do I need? Unit cost. It is given. Unit cost means one unit, expense on one unit. Cost means expense, unit means one unit. Expense on one unit is rupees 100 per kilogram. On one unit, it is 100 rupees. So apply this 12% on 100, you will get carrying ICC carrying cost per unit. Very simple. Apply this 12% on the unit cost because it is given per kilogram. And I also want ICC per kilogram.
12, ma'am.
Did you understand? So 100 into 12%, you will get ICC per unit. It is very simple. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me just give me 1 minute. Huh? This is sum number 12. Now, sorry, this is first. Okay. Now, EOQ's formula is the whole square root of 2 into A into OC upon ICC. Now, before starting with the formula, we need to convert 12 tons into kgs. So one ton is equals to how many kgs? 1 ton is how many kgs?
1000.
1000 kgs. So here I will write 1000 kgs. If 1 ton is 12,000 kgs, how much will be for 12 tons? How much will be for 12 tons? Question mark. So answer will be cross multiply
12,000.
and it will be, sorry, kgs. Cross multiply, just cross multiply. 1 ton is equals to 1000 kgs. So 12 tons is equals to how many kgs? Just cross multiply, you will get the answer. 12 tons into 1000 kgs. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Okay. Now apply the formula of EOQ. Now we have got annual consumption. This is annual consumption, 12 tons. So 12,000 kgs is also annual consumption. We have just converted tons into kgs. But answer is annual consumption only. So 12,000 is the perfect answer. We need to remove this bracket now. So 2 into 12,000 into what is ordering cost per order?
100.
No.
20.
Ma'am,
20,
20,
ma'am.
20.
Procurement cost per order means ordering cost per order. So 20. Okay. Whole divided by ICC. ICC is not given directly. It is 12%. So 12% has to be applied on what? Unit cost. What is unit cost? How much is unit
100 per
cost?
kg.
100 per kilogram. So 100 per kg. 100 per kg into 12%, we will get ICC. So here in the denominator, we need to write 100 multiplied by 12 percentage. This percentage is very important. Okay. Now let us quickly solve with the numerator part. First numerator. 2 into, sorry, this is 12,000. 2 into 12,000 into 20.
4,80,000.
Just a minute. 4 lakhs. 4 lakh. Why is this?
80,000.
Just a minute. Huh? 4 lakhs. No. Hmm. Yeah, tell me. The numerator is 4,80,000. How did you find? 2 into 12,000 into 20. The answer will be 4,80,000. Divided by 100 into 12 percentage. 100 into 12. Then percentage ka sign, not equals to ka sign. Tell me.
40,000.
No,
Under
the
root.
denominator. 100 into 12 percentage.
12.
12. Now tell me, what is
40,000.
4,80,000 divided by 12?
40,000.
40,000. What is square root of 40,000?
200.
Sorry,
200.
200 units. So we have found out the answer of EOQ. Now the next formula is number of orders to be placed in a year. What is the formula? A by EOQ. What is A for us?
12,000.
Divided by what is EOQ for us?
200.
So what is the answer? Final answer? 12,000 divided by 200.
60.
60 units. Sorry, units is not the correct form. It is kgs because he is asking you kilograms. So the answer will be in the form of kgs. So here also 200 kgs, 60 kgs. That way you have to write. Is that okay? $12,000 was converted in the form of kgs, no? So answer you will get it in the form of kgs. So here also you will get it in the form of kgs. Now, total ordering cost is ordering cost per order into number of orders to be placed in a year. What is ordering cost per order? What is ordering cost
20.
per order? 20 into what is the number of orders to be placed in a year?
60.
So 20 into 60 is how much?
1200.
Rupees
Rupees
1200.
1200.
Yes. So this should be the answer of total inventory carrying cost also. Only then your answer will be right. Formula of total inventory carrying cost is half into ICC per unit into EOQ. So half into ICC per unit. What is ICC per unit? It is question. In the question it is given 12 percentage. But we don't have to write
12.
percentage. We have to write per unit. What is per unit? 100 into 12 percentage.
12
What
plus.
was answer of 100 into 12 percentage?
12.
12. So half into 12 into EOQ units. How many units of EOQ?
100.
200.
200.
So 200 into 12 into half.
1200.
Yes,
Rupees
1200.
1200.
So that does it match? This 1200 and
Yes.
this 1200 exactly matches. So our sum is correct. See how simple the sums are.
इस formula याद रहना चाहिए हमें ना.
Yes, only formula is important. Okay, no need to join again because we are done with the lecture, and I will see if any other sum has to be solved. We will do it in next lecture. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. I wanted to give you homework, but now less than 1 minute is showing me. So I will put it in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.